Hey there, gamers! Are you ready for the most epic gaming experience of your life? Let me introduce you to the Samsung 49 Odyssey OLED, a behemoth of a monitor that's about to blow your mind. This beast of a screen boasts an incredible Dual QHD resolution of 5120 by 1440 pixels, which means you'll get an unbeatable level of clarity and detail, no matter what game you're playing. That's like looking at a work of art up close. It's mesmerizing. And with its 110 pixels per inch, you'll be able to see every single detail on this massive 49-inch screen. But what really gets me excited is the QD-OLED technology itself. With QD-OLED, you get an unparalleled level of color accuracy and vibrancy. It's like having a whole new world of colors at your fingertips. The Samsung team has managed to create a wider color spectrum than ever before, so you can expect stunning visuals that will transport you to another dimension. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the wide screen? Well, my friends, this monitor is all about giving you more view and more pixels per inch. The 32:9 aspect ratio provides an immersive experience like no other gaming monitor out there. You can see every detail on this massive screen, from the tiniest textures to the most intricate designs. But what really sets the Samsung Odyssey OLED apart from other monitors is its ability to deliver true black levels and pure blacks. With VISA Display HDR True Black 400, you'll be able to see every shadow, every crevice, and every detail in crystal clear clarity. And that's not all. The thermal modulation system ensures that the monitor stays cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. And let's talk about burn-in prevention. The brightness on static images like logos and taskbars is automatically reduced to prevent burn-in, so you don't have to worry about your favorite game looks like it's been there for years. It's a small but thoughtful touch that shows the Samsung team really cares about its users. Now, I know some of you might be worried about heat buildup on this massive screen. But trust me when I say that thermal modulation system is here to save the day. Algorithms predict surface temperature and automatically adjust brightness accordingly, so you can focus on gaming without any distractions. Another feature that's definitely worth mentioning is the logo and taskbar detection. If you're sitting in front of the monitor for an extended period, the screen will dim itself after 10 minutes of inactivity, and come back to its regular brightness with any input. It's a great way to conserve energy while still allowing you to enjoy your favorite games. But what really gets my blood pumping is the picture-in-picture feature. Imagine being able to multitask like a pro, pull up chat windows, gaming tips, or even YouTube videos without taking your eyes off the game. It's like having an extra screen right in front of you. And finally, let's talk about ergonomics. The monitor has an ergonomic stand that allows you to tilt and adjust it until all enemies are in perfect view. Plus, with a fully adjustable height and swivel, you can find your perfect gaming comfort zone. So there you have it, the Samsung 49 Odyssey OLED is an absolute monster of a monitor that's sure to take your gaming experience to new heights. With its incredible specs, stunning visuals, and thoughtful features, this monitor is a must-have for any serious gamer. Check out the link below for the best price, I promise you won't regret it. Rating, 4.3/5 stars.